Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the last class we have completed exercise 5D. Today we are going to start exercise 5E. This is the first question of this exercise. X square plus 1 by 4x square plus 1 minus 7x minus 7 by 2x. Let us see how we will solve this question. X square plus here 1 by 4x square, in place of that we can write down 1 by 2x whole square plus here we can write down 2ab. This is 2ab, no? So 2 into x, a is x and b is 1 by 2x minus 7x minus 7 by 2x. So when this x will cancel out, 2x and 2x will cancel out, 1 will remaining here. That is why for the whole term we can write down x plus 1 by 2x whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to a plus b whole square. So x plus 1 by 2x whole square minus 7x minus 7 by 2x. Now let us see x plus 1 by 2x whole square. Here we will take it x7 as a common. So this side x, this is minus, so here we have to put it plus. So minus into plus, it will be minus 1 by 2x. Now x plus 1 by 2x will take it common because both side x plus 1 by 2x is written. So 1x plus 1 by 2x we have taken as a common. So here x plus 1 by 2x minus 7 will remaining here inside the bracket. Therefore we can write down x plus 1 by 2x into x plus 1 by 2x minus 7 will be our answer. Now let us see the next question number 3. X square plus a square plus 1 by a into x plus 1. Let us see. We will write down x square plus a plus, why I have written a? Because a square upon a, so 1a will cancel out, so here a only it will remaining here. It means a square by a, that is equal to a, and 1 by a. So when we will simplify this, it will be a plus 1 by a into x plus 1. So x square plus, when we will multiply this term by x, a into x, ax plus x by a plus 1. Now we will take it common, we will make it a group and take it common. X will be the common number, so here x plus a plus 1 by a will take it as a common, so here x plus a will be the answer. Next x plus, here we will make it a group, x plus 1 by a into x plus a. This will be our answer. Now let us next question number 6. X square plus 1 by x square minus 3. So let us see x square plus, here 1 by x square, in place of that we will write down 1 by x whole square minus, in place of 3 we can write down minus 2 minus 3 because this is 2ab. So for the whole term 2ab, why 2ab I am telling you, because 2 into what is a is x, and what is b, 1 by x. So after cancelling this we'll get it only 2. Therefore 2 must be here. If we are writing 2 here, then we have to write down 1 also to make it 3. So minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. So x minus, for this whole term we'll write down a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to a minus b whole square. So x minus 1 by x whole square minus 1. So x minus 1 by x whole square minus minus 1 whole square. The value of this will be 1 only. So we can write down square also, there will be no problem. So identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So let us put it their value. X minus 1 by x whole square minus 1 square is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 1 and x minus 1 by x plus 1. This is a, and a minus b, a plus b. So x, let us simplify their bracket, x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 1 by x plus 1. This will be our answer. Now we'll see the next question number 17. 2 root 3x square plus x minus 5 root 3. Dear students, here we will take it the help of middle term splitting method. For that I told you to multiply their extreme term. Let us multiply 2 root 3x square into 5 root 3, that is equal to 2 5s are 10, root 3 into root 3 3, 10 3s are 30x square. Now we will split this 30 into two equal two part such that their sum must be 1x. So 6 5s are 30 and 6 minus 5 is also 1. So we will write down in place of x 6x minus 5x. So let us see. 2 root 3x square plus, in place of x we will write down 6x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. Now we will make it a group and take it common. 2 root 3x we will take it as a common, so here x will remaining here plus root 3. Why? Because when you will multiply 2 root 3 into 3, so 2 root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 3 will be 6x. So here root 3 minus 5 will take it as a common, so here x plus root 3 will remaining inside the bracket. So 2 root 3 minus 5 into x plus root 3 will be our answer. Let us see the question number 18. 1 by 4 a plus b whole square minus 9 by 16 into 2a minus b square. So dear students, here you will see that we can write down 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 into a plus b whole square. So this is equal to this much, minus for 9 by 16 we can write down 3 by 4 into 2a minus b whole square. Now a square minus b square, will apply this identity. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So let us see, put it their value. A is 1 by 2 into a plus b bracket close minus, what is b? 3 by 4 into 2a minus b. Similarly 1 by 2 into a plus b bracket close plus, what is b? A plus b means 3 by 4 into 2a minus b. So let us multiply this. When we will multiply a plus b by 1, it will be a plus b by 2. Here in the denominator 2 is written, so we will write down 2 minus. Similarly, let us multiply this 2a minus b by 3, so it will be 3 to the 6a minus 3b upon 4. Similarly, a plus b by 2 plus 3 to the 6 minus 3b upon 4. Now we will take it their LCM. LCM will be 4. Now let us divide this LCM by their denominator. It will go by 2 times. So 2 into a, 2a, 2 into b, 2b, 2a plus 2b minus. Here it will go by 1 time. So it will remain same. Means 6a, here when we will remove this bracket it will become plus, minus into minus plus, 6a minus 3b. Similarly we will take it here also, their LCM 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. Now let us divide this LCM by the denominator. It will go by 2 times. So 2 into a, that is equal to 2a, plus 2 into b, 2b, plus 6a, it will 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. So when we will multiply 6a minus 3b by 1, the result will be same. So 6a minus 3b. Now we will write down like this. 2a minus 6b is equal to minus 4b. 2b plus 3b, that is equal to plus 5b upon 4. So 2a plus 6a, that is equal to 8a. 2b minus 3b is equal to minus b upon 4. Therefore we will write down like this. Let us first multiply their denominator. 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. So 1 by 16 into minus 4a plus 5b bracket close, 8a minus b will be our answer. Let us see question number 20. Find the value 67 square minus 33 whole square upon 67 minus 33. Dear students, here we will apply the identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So 67 minus 33 into 67 plus 33 upon 67 minus 33. So 67 minus 33 numerator and denominator both will be cancelled out. So here it will remaining 67 plus 33. 67 plus 33 is equal to 100. This will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you.